In this lesson, we'll learn the characters DAZZUDEDO. To review, what is this character? Ta. How would you read this character? Da. Da. Diet. Diet. Soda. Soda. What is this character? Chi. How would you read this character? Ji. Ji. Like in hiragana, chi with the dakten has the same pronunciation as shi with the dakten. There are very few, if any, loan words that use chi with the dakten. What is this character? Tsu. How would you read this character? Zu. Zu. Again, tsu with the dakten has the same pronunciation as su with the dakten. However, there are few, if any, loan words that use tsu with the dakten. What is this character? Te. How would you read this character? De. De. Idea. Idea. Dessert. Dessert. What is this character? To. How would you read this character? Do. Do. Door. Door. Deutsch. Deutsch. We learned the characters da, ji, zu, de, do. In the next lesson, we'll learn the characters na, ni, nu, ne, no. See you in the next video.